Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by choosing 5 to 10 seed keywords that describe your topic. These act as anchors for discovery. Open Google and type each seed slowly to capture autocomplete variants. These are high-intent, real user phrases. Once done, scroll to the related searches at the bottom of the SERP and copy promising lines into a working list. Make sure to include synonyms and common misspellings. Doing this early expands reach without guesswork, and it primes the next analytical steps. Now refine your list by attaching intent modifiers like by, how, best, review, and near me. This shows whether searchers want to purchase, learn, or compare. Use quotes to capture exact match phrases and the tools menu to filter by date or location when relevance matters. Once you've narrowed candidates, apply negative terms, words that attract off-topic clicks, to prune noise. This middle stage converts a broad brainstorm into an actionable keyword set for finish by validating keyword performance. Check search volume and competition in a reliable keyword tool, and test top phrases in an incognito window or ads preview to see actual SERP features. Once you pick priorities, map keywords to page intent and optimize titles and meta descriptions for click-through rate. If performance lags, troubleshoot by comparing your snippet to top results and adjusting headline promises. Sometimes small copy changes fix poor CTR quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.